Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can sign out of Bigo Live. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your Bigo Live application. Now you will be appear with the home page of Bigo. Now in order to sign out, what you can do is now go ahead and tap on that Me section which is appear on the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, you'll be appear with your profile. Now at the top of the screen you can see the gear icon which is represented as the setting. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you'll be appear with the settings of Bigo Live. Now if you scroll all the way down, you can see the option called Log Out. Now the option will pop up. It will ask you to log out, and if you wanna remember your login info, you can just go ahead and simply tap on it. And if you wanna sign out of Bigo Live, you can just go ahead and tap on sure. If you wanna log out or sign out, once you do that, you will be signed out of Bigo Live and you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.